Hey everyone, today we are diving into a comprehensive guide on how to create and optimize content for better online visibility, where we will meticulously walk you through the art of crafting high-quality content and fine-tuning it for maximum impact. Whether you are an aspiring content creator or a seasoned pro seeking to elevate your online visibility, you are in the right place. We have prepared a wealth of invaluable tips and expert strategies just for you, and we cannot wait to share them all. Step number 1. Creating relevant content. Step number 1. Let us start by creating content that is highly relevant to your focus keyword. No more beating around the bush. If you are targeting a specific keyword, here is how you do it. You can add relevant subtopics related to that keyword to provide more value to your audience. Also, don't forget to write a small introduction, also known as a meta description, and include your focus keyword there. A well-optimized meta description can significantly boost your website's traffic. Step number 2. Proper header tags. Step number 2, for better organization, you need to use header tags effectively. If your content includes subtopics, make sure to use different header tags for clarity. For example, if you have a main topic, H2, and it has subtopics, use H3 for those subtopics. If there are forward subtopics, go for H4 and H5. Using proper header tags enhances the organization of your content, making it more reader-friendly. Step number 3. Adding images and alt tags. Step number 3. Images are crucial for any type of content, be it videos, blogs, or presentations. They not only make your content visually appealing, but also provide valuable context. When adding images, ensure they are relevant to your topic. And here is a pro tip. Always include alt tags for your images. Alt tags help with SEO and accessibility. Don't forget to add your focus keyword in the alt tags to improve your content's visibility. Step number 4. Implementing internal linking. Step number 4. Internal linking is a must for SEO. It helps in connecting relevant pages on your website, which is great for user experience and SEO. We won't go too deep into this in today's session since we have covered it extensively before. But remember, internal linking can significantly impact your ranking, so make it a part of your content strategy. Step number 5. Prioritizing readability and simplicity. Step number 5. When creating content, always prioritize readability. Whether it is a blog or any other format, ensure that your sentences are well structured and easy to understand. Don't complicate things, simplicity is key. You don't want your readers or viewers to struggle to understand your content. Keep it clear and concise. Step number 6. Staying updated. Step number 6, last but not least, stay updated with the latest trends and developments in your niche. It is essential to keep your content fresh and relevant. Your audience expects current information, so make sure you are in the know. Also, continuously improve your content creation skills to keep up with the ever-changing digital landscape. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to create better content and optimize it for your online success. Furthermore, if you found this video informative and crave more additional insights, we encourage you to consider becoming a subscriber to our channel. Your support is what keeps this channel running and enables us to continue delivering valuable information. And also, I'd love to hear your requests for future episodes. We are excited about connecting with you in our future videos. Thank you for watching, and I would love to see you on our next video.